Welcome to AppStyleBrush. If you want to secure your WhatsApp from hacking, do these settings. Open WhatsApp, press three dots, go to Settings, Privacy, Advanced, Protect IP address in calls. Turn on this option. It will protect your IP address from leaking through WhatsApp calls. Also disable link previews. Link previews can leak your IP address. Turning this option on will make sure you only see previews for messages that you want. Also block unknown account messages. It will block messages from unknown accounts if they reach a certain volume. Don't worry, you will still see who is trying to send you a message. Then go back to Privacy. Press Groups option. Select My Contacts, Accept. Select All Contacts. And then press green tick icon. This will disallow people from adding you in groups. It will make sure your account stays safe. Otherwise, random groups can get your WhatsApp account banned or deactivated. Then go back to main screen. Press three dots. Select Linked Devices. If you see any unauthorized device linked to your WhatsApp, remove it. Tap the device, select Logout. Then go to Settings, Account, two-step verification, turn it on. Create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. Go back, add recovery email address and verify it. It will make harder for anybody to break into your WhatsApp account. Then go back. From Settings, go to Privacy. Select App Lock. Enable biometric. Use your fingerprint or face recognition. Now only you can unlock your WhatsApp. And you can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. Then go back, go to Settings, tap Chats, Chat Backup, press Backup button. This will make sure your chats are safe. Go back, from Settings go to Account, press Passkeys, press Create Passkey, press Continue, and that's it, passkey has been created. It will be associated with your Google Password Manager. So to secure your WhatsApp account, make sure you do these settings. And also, do not use WhatsApp on public Wi-Fi. Never share your WhatsApp verification code with anyone. And keep WhatsApp updated. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.